Dreamweaver Software 101, Adobe DW. Dreamweaver is a popular software application primarily used for designing and developing websites and web applications. It was initially created by Macromedia, which was later acquired by Adobe Systems. Dreamweaver is part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite of applications, making it easily accessible to designers and developers. What Dreamweaver does: 1. Website design and development. Dreamweaver allows users to design websites visually using a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, interface. Users can also directly manipulate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code if they prefer to work that way. 2. Code editor. It features a robust code editor with syntax highlighting, code completion, and other helpful features for writing and editing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other web languages. 3. Responsive design. Dreamweaver supports responsive web design, allowing users to create websites that adapt to various screen sizes and devices. 4. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. Dreamweaver seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications like Photoshop and Illustrator, making it easy to import assets and graphics into web projects. 5. FTP integration. It offers built-in FTP functionality, allowing users to upload their websites directly to a web server from within the application. 6. Database integration. Dreamweaver supports integration with databases, allowing developers to create dynamic websites with server-side scripting languages like PHP, ASP, or Cold Fusion. Features: Live Preview. Users can preview their designs in real time, making it easier to see how changes will look in a web browser. Code hinting. Dreamweaver provides code hints and auto-completion for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, speeding up the coding process. Template support. It supports the creation and usage of templates, allowing users to maintain consistency across multiple pages. Built-in libraries. Dreamweaver includes built-in libraries for commonly used elements like navigation menus and forms, saving time for developers. Syntax checking. It features syntax checking and error highlighting to help users identify and fix coding errors. Extensions and plugins. Dreamweaver supports extensions and plugins, allowing users to add additional functionality and customize their workflow. Cons: steep learning curve. Dreamweaver can be intimidating for beginners, especially those who are not familiar with web development concepts. Resource intensive. It can be resource intensive, especially when working on large projects with lots of files and assets. Subscription model. Some users may not like the subscription-based pricing model of Adobe Creative Cloud. Known issues and fixes. Performance issues. Some users may experience performance issues, especially on older hardware. Updating to the latest version of Dreamweaver and optimizing system settings can help improve performance. Code formatting. Dreamweaver's code formatting may not always meet everyone's preferences. Users can customize code formatting options in the Preferences menu. Advanced tips for getting started. 1. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While Dreamweaver offers a visual interface, having a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will help you get the most out of the software. 2. Use templates and libraries. Take advantage of Dreamweaver's template and library features to maintain consistency and speed up development. 3. Customize your workspace. Customize Dreamweaver's workspace to fit your workflow and preferences. You can rearrange panels, create custom toolbars, and set keyboard shortcuts. 4. Use version control. Consider using version control software like Git to track changes to your code and collaborate with other developers. 5. Stay updated. Keep Dreamweaver and your other software up to date to ensure you have access to the latest features and bug fixes. Alternatives: 1. Visual Studio Code. A free, open source code editor with a wide range of extensions and support for web development. 2. Sublime Text. Another popular code editor with a lightweight interface and powerful features for web development. 3. Atom. A customizable, hackable text editor created by GitHub, with support for web technologies and a vibrant community of users and developers. While Dreamweaver remains a popular choice for web design and development, there are plenty of alternatives available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. It's essential to explore different options and find the tool that best fits your workflow and preferences.